Ikundi cia kahura disabled na potato women group iria igunikite na kigina kiu ni cigathiririe kigina makiuga nikimateithiririe kwarahura na kwararamia biashara ciao.
Watu walipata kuku, tukakuwa na kuku kwa nyumbani kwetu, na wote wako na 0 kuku. Maisha imebadilika.
Nauza mkoyo, viazi na kabla ya kuheo ya kupatio hii pesa ninauza gunia moja na sasa ninauza 2 au 3.
Kuringana na mbunge wa gicigo gia Kiharu, ikundi nyingi iria igunikite na kigina kiu kuuma riria kiambiriirio ni atumia. Oho ni acokeirie ngatho ikundi icio ni uhuthiri mwega wa kigina.
This success has been brought mainly by women. About 90% of our applicants are women, and I think it is by that virtue that we were able to have very good recoveries.
Kangata augite kira gitumite ugaciru ucio wonekane ni unyitaniri mwega wa amemba a ikundi icio na ikundi icio guthundura njira huthu cia kuriha johoro. Ni acakaite kuona ati thengia gukorwo mutaratara wa kuihuria kigina giki urahuthira teknolojia ya kiriu, andu ethi matioete ikinya ria kuihuria.
We never used the traditional methods of putting out that information. We use modern methods which are youth friendly. But then you'd imagine women are the one who reacted and that information percolated to them in a more better manner. So I would urge youth to form groups and to ask for that money. As we do not discriminate any group, we give on the basis of come first and then first gets.
Munini wake mbunge wa kaunti ya Murang'a ni acakaite kuona andu ethi matire ihuria kigina kiu.
What happens with the majority of the youth when they hear some money, they write a quick proposal which was not part of their plan, and then they get the money, and most of them when they get the money they don't actually put the money into the projects. They divide the money and that's it, hoping that they will not be followed. I think I need to tell the Kenyan youth, it is a high time that we start creating jobs for ourselves. It's a high time we start doing projects that can bring funds.
Kigina kia Uwezo Fund kiambirio ni thirikari ya bururi niguo gutigirira andu ethi na atumia ni mamukira ngombo cia njoherera nini niguo kumahotithia guthondeka mieke ya mawira. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Simon Macharia wa Wangui.